Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create your own electronic signature and how to add it to your PDF file. Electronic signatures are a convenient and efficient way to sign digital documents, and I will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then here you search for small PDF e-sign. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, click on this website smallpdf.com. Then click on choose file. After that, click on files. Then select a PDF file from your file manager which you want to add your electronic signature. After selecting your file, then click on OK. Now here I will show you how to create your own electronic signature and how you can add it to your PDF file. So here you click on signature icon. Then click on add. After that, draw your signature from here. Then click on create. Now your signature has been created successfully. After that, here you click on your drawn signature to add it to your PDF file. Then you drag it to the right place in your PDF file as I am doing through this process. And here you can change the size of your signature as I am doing through this process. After that, click on finish and sign. Now you can see that my file is uploading. Now my file has been uploaded. Here you just click on cross sign. Then click on download. Now you can see that my file has been downloaded. Now if I open it, then you can see that my electronic signature has been added to my PDF file successfully. So by this process you can create your own electronic signature and add it to your PDF file easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.